Hi, I'm Emily Conley, and in this video I'm going to teach you using reflectors on your webcam modeling shows. Reflectors are an essential element in your webcam shows. You must invest in them even if you are using regular lamps. There are 3 types of reflectors. You can choose one of them: white, silver, or gold. White reflectors. This type of reflector is recommended for beginner webcam models. This type of reflector diffuses and scatters light evenly. Silver reflectors. This reflector is recommended for webcam models with intermediate experience. They are used to intensify the light. This reflector can create shadows and what is known as a spotlight effect if used in a 3-point system where no more light sources are added. Gold reflectors. This type of reflector is recommended for webcam models with advanced experience. This type of reflector will give you warmer tones. Use these reflectors to change or add the color temperature. Colored reflectors. These types of reflectors can change the nuances of light and change the atmosphere. This type of reflector is recommended when you are going to do thematic shows. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our free webcam modeling mini course by visiting our website www.modelingclub.webcam.